Hi, I'm Rick Ballard with Utility Composites. We're the manufacturers of Raptor composite fasteners. Today, I just want to take a little bit of time to introduce a tool that is used specifically for Raptor composite fasteners. This is the 18 gauge brad nailer. It's called Omer 12P.25H, and it's specifically designed to shoot the Raptor 18 gauge brads, which range in lengths of 7/16 of an inch up to 1 inch. When installing the appropriate air fitting for your system specifications, please note this tool has straight thread fittings. If you're using tapered thread fittings, please use thread tape. Before using the tool, get the tool oil that's provided with it and put 2 to 3 drops in the air hose inlet right here. When loading the nailer, get your slider, pull it back, get your brad nails, put them right into the top part here, slide it back into place, connect your air hose, and you're ready to operate. You'll notice the trigger safety here, preventing you from doing multiple fires at one time.